A single sneeze rockets through the air at a staggering 100 miles per hour, launching a cascade of thousands of tiny droplets, each like a microscopic planet in its own right. Imagine the invisible storm. These droplets, propelled by such ferocity, can traverse distances you wouldn't think possible, carrying with them a world of mysteries. Inside each droplet, a universe teems with microbial life, invisible to the naked eye but powerful enough to change the course of your day, or even your health. As they spiral outward, they create a dazzling, albeit unseen, display of biology in motion. This isn't just a simple achoo, it's a high-speed journey through the unseen realms of the air, a reminder of the intricate dance of life that happens all around us, even in the blink of an eye or the breath of a sneeze.